I'm Bridget at Emigh's Hardware. Today we're going to talk about propagation. So it's at the end of a season. You've probably had a lot of growth on your plants. This one has a lot of extra growth on it, and you may be wondering what to do with it. We're also going to be propagating our Monstera in a few minutes. A lot of people have these at home. They're going crazy, and many of you don't know that they can be propagated and grown in water. So first, with this one, we're going to take this really long vine on this guy, and you're going to clip it off. And each one of these is another baby plant. As long as the leaf has a node, you can clip it and propagate it. So we're just going to clip these like this, or they have a little node, and that can be placed in water. So you can take your jar here. We have lots of propagation little stations here right now. We got a bunch in. They look really pretty. Decorative. You're going to fill that with water. And then after about a month's time, your pothos or devil's ivy is going to have a nice healthy root base. And then after that, if you would like to, you can leave it in the water for a really long time. They'll last, gosh, I've had them in my house for years. Or you can rinse this and pot it in a nice pot with some medium, which we have plenty of here. Our favorite here is going to be the Fox Farm Ocean Forest soil to pot that in. People ask if you can do it the other way around. If they have a beautiful plant that they would like to see the root growth on, can you take this out, rinse it off, and plant the roots in the water? It doesn't work that way. It only works with the baby cuttings, and then they're going to grow some new roots. When the roots come out, they can be planted in dirt and soil, a happy soil, but not the other way around. Our next one that we're going to be doing is our Monstera. These are easily propagated by taking a clipping like this. It's the same thing. If this vine here is going to have a root or a node on it, it can be easily propagated in water. So you're going to rinse off the roots, put it in a nice pot, propagation pot, fill it with water, and then again, in about a month's time, you're going to have this really healthy root base. This is actually 2 plants in here, 2 separate plants. You're going to gently separate them if you have more than one in there. And then again, these can be planted in a nice soil medium and put in a pot. This one also recommended soil is going to be the Fox Farm Ocean Forest or the Happy Frog potting soil. We have many different propagation stations here and lots of pothos and monsteras. If you would like to come in and take a look, you can start with a healthy plant like this, and then before long, you could have pothos growing all over your house through propagation. Thanks for listening today about propagation of our pothos and our Monstera. Come on down to Emigh's Pond and Petal. We're happy to talk to you about all the new plants available and how you can propagate your own at home.